and Cam just chilling with baby Fee. She just ate, and she's got the hiccups. So chances are she may burp up something pretty soon. So I've got a burp cloth here in case that happens. In the meantime, she's just being a baby.